Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. How to lock your Facebook profile if you want to lock it. First, go to your home page. What is in your mind? You click on it. You see here, you click where the public is. You select friends. So I'll select friends. Okay. So I'll go to I will then go to here and select here. You see, first you go to the three dots, you click on it, and you see lock profile, you click on it. You see lock your profile, you click yes. My profile has been locked. Yes, my profile has been locked. So this is how you can lock your profile. You see the profile has been locked. So if you want to unlock it, you follow the same procedure. You click, you go to unlock profile, you click now, you go to, you see unlock profile. You see there is a padlock which has opened, and you click on it, and you click and you see unlock your profile, you click on it. Good. Your profile is unlocked. You click okay, and you go back. Yes, your profile is unlocked. You go back to home page and click and choose public. Yes. So this is how you can unlock it after you have locked. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.